was so eager to look around that I didn't even look to see what classes were going on right now, so I missed a few classes. I did end up buying some equipment from Hilco, John Hill's company. I bought a clarifier and a pump and I think a 36-gallon heated storage bottling tank. But I do like these boxes here too. I'm gonna get some of that, the wax dip hives. I probably will get my own wax. There's just a lot of great stuff. If you're into beekeeping and you're willing to make the trip, I should have brought my dog. I should have brought Remy or Lady. Rocco wouldn't have made the trip, but my German Shepherd. Oh, it's the Dirt Rooster. All right. Guy does cutouts. Unbelievable guy. This 628 Dirt Rooster, I think. Met him a few times, Randy. Super great guy. Oh, here's some weird stuff. I get that from my brother. This is an incredible design here for a wax dipping tank. Let's see how much they want for this. I've had my own built, but you save a lot of wax and a lot of time with this.
Yeah, because just a little bit.
It's an incredible design. I'm sure Hilco would come up with one of these. Yeah. That's a great design, isn't it? Sorry. And when your wax is dripping, you'll come back down here and fall right into the well, it'll spill over right here. It won't go straight in. But I'm sure when you put it back over for the next set, that the heat will melt the wax and it'll drip straight down. This is a great design. This is a great thing to have if you can afford it. If you can afford to make that or to buy it. Let's see where that thermometer is coming out. And even more. See how thick is this? It's hard to tell. It's being protected by that little deal, so you're not going to break the thermometer off. But if you can afford this, the real expense is the wax, filling it up, the initial fill. Let's see. Oh, hold on. See, I don't know that I could. This is great stuff. It's such a great investment in these things. $4,000 though is a lot, but man, I mean you're just selling 400 bottles of honey. It's not much. And you can bottle 400 bottles of honey in probably 10 minutes with this. That's great stuff. Golly. More extractors. I'm gonna shut this video down and start another one. But this is Honey Jefe. It's honey with a J. And it's Jeff with one F between two E's. Thank y'all.